Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to perform virus scan on this device. So firstly you have to open Phone Manager app, agree, then go to the antivirus, and it automatically makes privacy, risk scan, system vulnerabilities, payment environments and others, and just you can fix all if there's any issues. And as you can see, my INFINIX is 100% safe, but maybe you should go check your own if you have some unwanted threats on your device. It might help you, so why not? And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.